Alright world, you already know I get the job done, so I came over here to mow some grass. My goal is to get a new truck here sooner than later. I'm really hoping Ford is going to sponsor my videos. My dad's had great luck, learned from Jim, the Ford trucks. I'm talking like 400,000 miles on 2 of his Ford trucks. So I'm a big Ford fan, but my first personal truck was a Chevy. I actually kind of like that. So no disrespect against Chevy or Ford or Dodge. Kevin just wants a truck. So if anybody wants to sponsor me, it's a lot easier to haul your mower around when you got a truck. So, but regardless, I'm gonna get the job done. I'm over here at this new property, about to build a new house. If somebody wants to buy a house, reach out. You guys just want to watch the progress of the house, just watch the videos. You already know I'm writing a country album called Lawnmower, and the grass that we got over here, I'm not gonna lie, probably need a bushwhacker for this. So check it out, everybody. You guys can watch me mow some grass if you want to watch. If not, it's still going up there. To be fair, I did not bring the weed whacker or the chainsaw, but we'll get that next time. Actually, my plan was to go skate today, but here I am back to work. So check it out, everybody. We're about to get this done.